I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will discuss about median. In our last video, we have discussed about mean, trimmed mean and the weighted mean. So we understood that the advantage and disadvantage of mean, trimmed mean and the weighted mean. So here we will discuss about median. So what is a median? A median is the middle number on a sorted list of the data. So if we have a list of data, so median is very simple. We can just take the middle number of that particular list. So if the number of items in that list is odd, it is very easy to find the middle number, right? We can easily find the middle number. So consider if the number of items in that particular list is even, okay, then it will be little difficult to find the median of that particular list. So in that case, actually median will be a value which is not in the data set. Okay, that means what we will do, we will take two values from that list that divide the sorted data into upper and lower halves. Okay, so that is how median works in even number of items. So this we can actually do a example. So I hope then it will be like very clear. So median is another very good. So one of the very good advantage of median is that median is robust to outliers. So if you have like a outlier in the data set, the value will not be like much change in the value. So we have seen in the mean, when we add an outlier, the data is changed drastically. Okay, here that will not happen in median. Okay, so we can discuss each and every point in detail. Okay, so let me go to my notepad so that I can type. Okay, so consider few data set. Okay, so here I have a couple of data set. We have considered 71, 30, 61, then 59, 31, 40 and 29. Okay. So consider this is the data set that we have. Okay. To find the median, first we have to sort it. Okay, first we have to sort it. Okay, sort in the ascending order. So here after sorting it will be 29, then 30, we have 31, okay, then we have 40, we have 59, 61 and 71. Okay, now just count number of items in that list in the data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are 7 items are there, so we need to find the middle of this data set. So it will be 4, right? So it will be the 4th item, so that will be 40. Okay, so the 40 will be the median. So here we can see that after 40 there will be 3 items and before 40 there will be 3 items. So we are dividing it equally. So this is the odd number of items, right? So there is actually a formula that we can apply to calculate. So here I have done like without any formula, right? So we have a formula that we can find out the term. So that is n plus 1 by 2. Okay, n is the number of items in the list. So here we have 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2, it will be 8 by 2, it will be 4, right? So this will be 4th. We can check that the 4th index here 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the median of this data set. Okay. Now consider another scenario. So here we have tested with the odd numbers, right? Now we can see like even number of items. Okay. So consider another set of data. I have, maybe I can say like 8, 7, 13, 16, 21, 9, 5, 11, right? So what will be the first step? First step is we have to sort it. Okay, so it will be 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 16 and 21. Okay, now we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the even number of items in the data set. So as per the rule, we have to select two numbers that will divide the list into the lower and the upper halves. So if you select 9 and 11, this will divide the list into two parts. Here we have 3 items, and after these numbers we have 3 items. So we are dividing it equally. Now the median will be 9 plus 11 by 2, which is equal to 20 by 2, which is equal to 10, right? So this is why we are saying this number is not in the list, right? This 10 is not in the list, but this is the median. Okay, so here also there is a formula, very simple formula. Okay, we can try to solve it with the formula also, that is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2 will be the median. So we can check that. What is n by 2? N is 8, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. 8 by 2th term plus 8 by 2 plus 1. 8 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this will be 4th term plus 5th term by 2. That is, what is the 4th term? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the 4th term, and 11 is the 5th term. So 9 plus 1 by 2. 9 plus 11, sorry, 9 plus 11 by 2, which is equal to 10. See, these both are same. Okay, so we can use this formula. Also, like we can calculate manually. Okay, so it will be like using formula. So if it is a big data set, complex data set, then it will be very easy to use this formula. Okay, also like when we do our own programs, then we have to use this formula. Okay, now the third point is, it says like median is robust to outliers. Okay, how? Okay, so we can check that. Okay, so consider a data set. We can have a simple data set: 10, 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay, consider this is the data set. So calculate median. So what we have to do? First we have to sort it. 1, 2, 4, 5 and 10. Okay, so this is the sorted list. Check this is even or odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the odd. So odd means we can easily find 4 as the median. We can also use the formula. Okay, what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2. Okay, that is a formula. That is n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 3. So this is a 3. So this is the item. So median is 4. Okay, now just calculate the mean. mean of the data. How can we calculate the mean? This is sigma x of I by n, right? I is equal to 1 to n. So this will be 10 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 5, which is equal to, I believe, 22 by 5, which is equal to 4. I think it's 4.4, right? It is 4.4. Okay. So this is the mean. So here mean and median are almost same, right? Yeah, there is some changes there, but it is very close. So consider I am adding an outlier. Here, if I am adding an outlier as 100. Okay, so what will happen in the median? Median, so first step we can sort it, like 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 100, right? Then calculate the median. We know that 4 and 5, since it's a even, now it's become even. Okay, just count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, this is 6, this is even. So what we have to do, we have to take the two numbers that will divide the list into upper halves and the lower halves. I mean upper half and the lower halves. Okay, so this will be 4 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2, which is equal to 4.5. Okay, so here we are getting 4.5, and it is, you can say, almost close, right? Almost close. And we can see what happened to our mean after adding this particular outlier. So earlier we have calculated 22. So 22 plus 100 by 6. It will be 122 by 6, which is approximately equal to 20.33. We can count 33. Okay, this is 20.3. So we can see that how mean is changed. Okay, here mean is changed from 4.4 to 20. So that means it has changed almost 5 times. We can say that almost 5 times it is changed. Okay, so that is why most of the case we use median. So median, we have a very small change, okay, by adding outliers. That is why we are saying median is robust to outliers. Okay. Okay, that's all in this video. I hope this information helps for you. Thank you watching for my video. Please do like and share. Okay. Have a nice day.